Hello everyone, it's Balkan. So today I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the TT-33 Tokarev by WE. So pull the slide back, pull this latch off the pin, pull the pin out like so, pull the slide back, pull it off the body. Now get the recoil spring off, spring retainer off as well. Now pull the bushing off. Come on. Okay. Like so. Pull the barrel out of the slide. So we have the outer barrel and the inner barrel. Put it back in. Put it back in the slide. Put the bushing on. Put the retainer in. Come on, there we go. Put the spring back in. Like so. Put the slide back on the body. Get the pin back in. Like so. And put the hatch on. There we go.